14 mind-blowing predictions about the future backed by science. Hey there, welcome to Globe Gazers. Today, we're diving into the future, taking a look at 10 mind-blowing predictions that scientists believe will change the world as we know it. From colonizing Mars to extending human life, these are the ideas shaping tomorrow. Let's get started. 1. Climate Change Acceleration and Solutions, 2030-2050. Scientists predict that by 2050, our planet could see global temperatures rise by up to 2 degrees Celsius, causing more extreme weather like storms, droughts, and rising sea levels. But there's hope. Innovations like carbon capture, renewable energy, and even geoengineering might save us from the worst effects of climate change. Let's hope we take action before it's too late. 2. Fusion energy becomes reality, 2040-2050. Fusion energy has been the holy grail of clean power for decades, and scientists believe that by 2050, we'll finally crack the code. Fusion reactors could produce near-limitless energy without the harmful waste that comes with current nuclear power, giving us a cleaner, more sustainable future. Imagine a world where energy is cheap, clean, and abundant. 3. CRISPR and gene editing revolution, 2030-2040. Thanks to CRISPR gene editing technology, we're on the verge of curing genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Some scientists even predict that by the 2040s, we could extend human lifespans by editing the genes that cause aging. But how far should we go? The ethics of gene editing will be a huge debate in the future. 4. Artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, 2040-2050. By 2050, AI could reach artificial general intelligence, meaning machines might think, learn, and solve problems better than humans. This could revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, and even entertainment. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we control machines smarter than us? 5. Human colonies on Mars, 2035-2050. NASA and private companies like SpaceX aim to establish human colonies on Mars within the next few decades. By 2050, scientists predict that we'll have permanent settlements on the Red Planet, making humanity a multi-planetary species. Would you be brave enough to live on Mars? 6. Quantum computing will change everything, 2030-2040. Quantum computers are set to outperform today's supercomputers by leaps and bounds. They'll be able to solve complex problems that classical computers can't handle, like breaking encryption, discovering new medicines, or modeling climate change. The future of computing is closer than you think. 7. Human lifespan could exceed 120 years, 2050. Advances in genetic engineering and medicine could push human lifespans beyond 120 years. Scientists are exploring ways to slow down aging at the cellular level, possibly making age-related diseases a thing of the past. Imagine living to 150. What would you do with all that time? 8. Lab-grown meat will solve food crises, 2030-2050. With the global population expected to hit 10 billion by 2050, lab-grown meat could help solve food shortages and environmental issues. Cultured meat, grown from animal cells in labs, uses fewer resources and generates less pollution than traditional farming. Would you try lab-grown meat? 9. Species revival under extinction, 2030-2050. By 2050, we might be able to bring back extinct species like the woolly mammoth using cloning and CRISPR technology. This could also help save endangered species, giving biodiversity a second chance. Is reviving extinct species the future of conservation? 10. Personalized medicine using your DNA, 2030-2040. By the 2030s, doctors will be able to create personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup. This means treatments designed just for you, targeting diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart conditions with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine a world where your treatment is as unique as your fingerprint. 11. Brain-computer interfaces will transform human abilities, 2030-2050. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are set to revolutionize how humans interact with machines. By the 2050s, scientists predict that we'll be able to control devices with just our thoughts. From curing paralysis to enhancing cognitive abilities, BCIs could change what it means to be human. Would you connect your brain to a computer for superhuman abilities? 12. The rise of virtual reality and the metaverse, 2030-2050. By 2050, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, will evolve into the metaverse, a fully immersive digital world where you can work, play, and socialize. Scientists predict this will blur the lines between physical and virtual worlds, creating endless possibilities for entertainment, business, and even relationships. Could you see yourself living part of your life in the metaverse? 13. Robots will become part of everyday life. 2030-2050. By 2050, robots won't just be a thing of sci-fi movies. They'll be integrated into every part of our lives, from assisting with household chores to performing surgeries, and even providing companionship. Scientists predict that robots could become as common as smartphones are today. Would you trust a robot to cook your meals or take care of your loved ones? 14. Space mining for asteroids and lunar resources. 2040-2050. Space mining is expected to take off by the 2040s, as scientists and entrepreneurs aim to harvest valuable resources from asteroids and the moon. These celestial bodies hold precious metals, minerals, and even water, critical resources that could fuel our expansion into space. Could space mining be the solution to Earth's dwindling resources? And that's it. 14 incredible predictions for the future, all backed by scientific research and innovation. From personalized medicine to robots in your home, the future is closer than you think. So, what's the one prediction that blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below.